What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about Ethereum today. Ethereum. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this, you guys, and let's get into it, okay? It is the 22nd day of July, and here we are with about 6 hours and 55 minutes left in the day, consolidating here. We do have what they call a spinning top at the top here. It could be a gravestone doji as well. I guess it's not completely a spinning top. It's not so neutral, but some kind of indecision candle up here. And whenever you're at high points, you have indecision candles that can normally allow for some kind of consolidation to happen. Normally, understand we had a very similar candle here. We moved down for one day and then we kept moving up afterwards. Right? We basically consolidated for like 3 days and then boom, we ripped. I would assume we do something similar here, but maybe a little bit more to an extreme effect. I shouldn't say extreme effect, to a larger effect, right? If we're looking at this movement over here from a low to the high, you know, and we take that same kind of movement here from where we broke out, right about there, whenever this move like really started kicking off, we basically saw that exact same move happen. Overall, from this low to high, we've seen more than that move happen, but I would say from where this move began, basically that same exact move. We could move up a little bit first, but I would think that we consolidate and get the RSI to come out of the overbought zone like we did here. I don't believe, unlike this area, I don't believe that we're going to be moving sideways from the period of like May 11th to July 8th. I don't think it's going to be a multi-month consolidation phase. I do believe, however, like this phase, that it will be a horizontal channel that we are kind of bound by, and perhaps for a week or two. I don't expect it to be longer than a week. I don't even expect it. It could be even less than a week, but I would expect it to at least draw down the price a little bit. Okay, get this RSI, if not out of the overbought. Whoa, if not out of the overbought zone, get it somewhere near the overbought area, or at least to the overbought area, and then bounce from there. And I would think that by the end of this month of July, we do continue to rally. I really do think that this ending week of July, the very last days of July, are going to be good times, party times for all crypto, for Bitcoin, for all of altcoins, Ethereum, the whole thing. July is a very fantastic month for Ethereum. This is one of the largest months that we've seen, if not the largest month. It's the largest month, you guys, that we've seen so far from an open to closing basis, this whole damn bull cycle. Yeah, 49%. There's not a single month that's larger than this. Oh, what about down here? 56. Okay, 56%. Is that part of the bull market, though? I don't. That's like a crab market. End of the bear market, crab market, then bull market. I don't know. Maybe. Since the bear market low, this is the second biggest month. How about that? Can we say that definitely? Looking at the RSI on the monthly time frame, you are looking ready to get overbought. As exciting as it is here, okay, as exciting as it might seem that Ethereum is getting its second biggest month of the bull cycle, or its biggest month of the bull cycle, depending on how you want to slice it, there are bigger months to come. When you get overbought, we're not overbought yet. When you get overbought, that's whenever the big stuff happens, okay? We look here. It was when we got overbought that the big candle happened. And this was smaller than this candle here, but it's all relative. Relative Strength Index, RSI. That's what it stands for. So it's all relative. Relatively speaking, I would think that we only see stronger moves, right? The strongest move here in this month, in this monthly formation, over the 6 months that we moved up there in 2024, that was when we were overbought. We're not even overbought yet, and we're getting a 50% pump in 1 month. We've got a lot of growth to go, you guys. Here, okay, I don't know why that happened. Here last cycle, whenever we were not in the overbought zone, we saw some strength. Sure, we moved up, but the big move happened when we were overbought. Here, we were moving up, and that was nice. Over here, we didn't really have history. We were consolidating, whatever. The big move happened when we were overbought. Way bigger move, right? We're just getting started. This move is just getting started. It's the very beginning. We actually aren't even completely underway yet, right? We're not even halfway there. We've got a lot of growth to go. I don't know why I can't talk. I'm getting all like stuttery with my words. High to low, I would anticipate that by the end of August, we will be at prices that are around $7,700. You guys, a $10,000 Ethereum is not that far away. Understand, Ethereum will undoubtedly be at $10,000 by the end of this year. Let's actually go over this real quick again, comparing it to prior cycles, just real quick, okay? Just to show you where my head's at. We got overbought here, okay? Not this month, or yes, this month we did get overbought. We're going to take it from the high of that month to where we grew over the next, how many months do we have left? It's the end of July, so August, September, October, November, December. We got 5 months left in the month, right? Let's go to the next 5 months, and the high within the next 5 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the high came in the 4th month, okay? We go over here. whenever we got overbought, which was actually would have been this month. No, wouldn't have been this. It would have been this month. So after we were overbought, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months later, 354%. And last cycle was pretty damn weak, right? So we're probably not going to move up this much. I think comparing it to this much is appropriate, right? But just understanding that we see a lot of growth within that first 4 to 6 months in time. We have 5 months left in the year here. If we were to see a similar amount of growth here, we're not even overbought yet. We're not even overbought yet, you guys. And if we put this price here, just from what we saw there, 354%, that puts us at 17K. You guys, people were laughing at me in my last video whenever I talked about Ethereum going to 20K by the end of this cycle. I wouldn't be surprised if we were at 20K by the end of this year, man. We could be at 20K by the end of this year. We could be at 20K, and maybe it's 2026, you know. But I would very much believe that we are not just above $10,000 by the end of this year, but we're likely going to be above $14,000. The party is just getting started when you're overbought. We're not even there yet. We're not even in the door yet. But we got a lot of growth to go. And absolutely, I believe that we will see a 20K price or more, right? Probably even above 20K. The 1886 to 200 level, that's 22 to 27K. I very much do think that we will see that in 2026, early 2026. And then just also taking, besides the percentage growth, taking notice of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months of growth here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months of growth here. I would absolutely believe that 6 to 8 months from now we will continue to be growing, and that would likely be 2026. That we're still moving up, you guys. I don't really have anything else that I want to say. I've given you the short-term consolidation stuff. I think that if we were to move lower, you know, we probably don't go below $3,500. I doubt that we do. Maybe I should say $3,400, but I even doubt that we'd go below $3,500. I got nothing else for you guys. I just want to talk about the long-term stuff, get our heads right, and just say that we're probably not moving up today or tomorrow, but we will consolidate a little bit. It'd be good if this RSI could cool off, and then we'll get ready to run into the end of the month. I got nothing else. Hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you all for being here. I'll see you on the next one. Okay, take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.